I'm Jaehyun. I'm a senior at 명륜 Elementary School. My hobby is making herb spray. I will show you how to make it. I'm going to make herb spray for the camping site today. The supplies are 50 ml of the purified water, essential oil, and spray bottle. First, put 50 ml of the purified water in the spray bottle. Second, put 5 drops of the essential oil in the spray bottle. Third, shake it well. And keep it out of your skin. This is because essential oil is not good for your skin. I finished the herb spray. It's easy to make, so try to copy it. Thank you for watching until the end. Goodbye.